Have you ever been in a situation where during a medical emergency, you had to pay all your hefty bills even after having an insurance? Or that position where at the very last moment the hospital denied your cashless claim, citing that it isn't a network hospital? Many of you may have faced this, and I'm sure it's a daunting situation to be in. But you don't have to worry anymore, as you can now avail of cashless facilities even at the hospitals that are not in the network of your insurers. Yes, let's get into the details, but before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel. The general and health insurance companies, along with the General Insurance Council, have come together to facilitate Cashless Everywhere facility. Earlier, if the treatment was done at a non-network hospital, the policyholder had to pay the entire amount from his pocket and then go through a claim reimbursement process. But with this, policyholders can now get cashless treatment facilities even from hospitals outside their hospital network of their respected insurers. However, you must know that the service is limited to the hospitals registered under the Clinical Establishment Act with a minimum capacity of 15 beds. Now, how can you get this cashless treatment at non-network hospitals? Well, to get a cashless treatment at the hospital of your choice, you will have to notify your insurance company at least 48 hours before any planned surgery or procedures. In case of emergencies, notification within 48 hours of admission is required for the insurer to establish a cashless facility through an MOU with the hospital. Well, do make a note that the charges at the non-network hospital will be based on the rates that the hospital charges to the existing authorized insurers. So, how will this facility benefit you? And to what extent? Well, as I mentioned before, for treatment at a non-network hospital, earlier you had to pay upfront and later apply for reimbursement, which made the entire process prolonged and stressful. Now, with the introduction of Cashless Everywhere, you have the freedom to receive treatment at any of the 40,000 hospitals nationwide, regardless of whether they are within your insurer's network. This initiative will also benefit people from Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions, as they can get access to quality healthcare in remote areas without the added financial strain. It also aims to bring standardization in treatment protocols, reduce fraud, and lower claim costs, which could lead to potential benefits for policyholders in the form of lower premiums. Well, a long pending ask has been finally delivered, a much needed relief for insurance policyholders indeed. So, what are your thoughts about it? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel for more such videos.
I looked up 5 balance sheets on Moneycontrol. I'll do it on the fly. It took me exactly 3 minutes thanks to Moneycontrol. First thing to come up is Moneycontrol. So I don't even have to scroll down to look at it. I click and I get what I want.
When I started my career, there was a huge information arbitrage between institutional investors and retail investors. The arbitrage gap between institutional and retail investor has disappeared, mainly due to Moneycontrol.
I think Moneycontrol has emerged as a leading business news source for me, especially around startups and the digital economy, government policy in this area, what's happening in investments.
Absolutely delighted with the news that Moneycontrol has overtaken the Economic Times in terms of news reach and overall reach with the reading populace. This is phenomenal, mind-boggling news, and I am really astounded at this achievement.
Moneycontrol has slowly and steadily become the go-to site for all updates related to the markets, to the economy.
Moneycontrol has good ideas, detailed ideas, specific ideas. All in all, a fun way to learn and enjoy the markets.
All the latest news notifications, whether it's the latest results, whether they are corporate actions, the first notification that I get is from Moneycontrol.
A user of Moneycontrol today is as knowledgeable as an institutional investor. Kudos to Moneycontrol.
Life of the market is Moneycontrol, in the sense that you get everything what needs to be known. I think all in all, it's a good package to have literally free of cost on your hand.
I take this opportunity for the entire Money Control team, congratulating them for emerging as a leading source of business news.
I have to compliment Moneycontrol in pointing out some of the egregious misuse of all cases of fraud, breach of investment advisor regulations, and so on and so forth. So thank you for that.
Congratulations, Moneycontrol, and thank you so much for being there.